Do you know an owl can rotate its head more than 270 degree in full rotation and 140 degree in half rotation? Hello guys, today in this video we will be going to know some astonishing fact about owls. There was always a controversy regarding owls capable of moving their head beyond 360 degree. So is the ghost we see in movies who turn their head completely in a horrific way. Are they inspired by owls? Just kidding. But you know, right, it looks horrific and gives us a slight pain in our neck when we see this owl's rotating its head. Actually, it can rotate maximum up to 270 degrees. Now, if we compare this with humans' ideal rotation range, it's between 160 to 180 degrees only. To the untrained eye, it looks like a case of movie magic. The scientists at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine now have data to explain the eerie skill that has baffled birders for years. Now let's see why the owl is able to move his head that much without breaking or tearing apart his blood vessels. To get a glimpse of the owl's blood vessels when their necks were turning, the scientists injected dye into the blood vessels of a dozen dead owls and used a CT scan to visualize the simmering fluid spreading throughout the bird's arteries like blood. After creating the CT scan images, researchers injected a plastic-like substance into the veins of the dead snowy, barred and great-horned owls and dissected the animals, drawing the roots and locations of the vessels. They found a number of previously undiscovered and unique traits. For one, the owl's neck bones or vertebrae contains holes that are much larger than those found in other birds or humans. In owls, the hole is about 10 times larger than the artery. These holes or canals likely hold air sacs meant to cushion the twisting motion of the head. They also noticed right away that these canals were absent in the bottom two vertebrae of the neck. This gives the cord-like vessels some slack when the bird twists its head. The large holes and slack at the bottom of the neck help explain why the vessel don't break, but they don't explain why the supply of blood isn't cut off when an owl turns its head. With so much twisting, the vessels are bound to become partially blocked. The team noticed that the vertebral artery enlarges slightly as it approaches the brain, which is usually and not seen in many other animals. It is assumed that these enlarged areas may function as reservoirs in which blood can pool, so that the brain has extra blood to work with as the head swivels around. A vessel called the patent trigeminal artery connects the front and the back of the owl's brain, which helps supply the organ with as much blood as possible. Now, the question arises, why do owls need to crane their necks to such an extreme degree? It's because their eyes are tubular, built almost like telescopes, giving them amazing vision. But unlike humans, who have roughly spherical eyes, owls cannot move them about easily, so they have to rotate their heads.